Alright guys, the moment is here. This is Grid Legends. I bought this game shortly after I sold my Xiaomi 15 with a Snapdragon 8 Elite, and I was using back in the days the Vivo X200 Pro Mini with MTK 9400, and it didn't work, so I returned it. You know, you can do things like this for fun. But hey, this thing here is the S25 Ultra. This thing here is the 48-inch monitor. I have hooked up my DualSense controller, and let me show you just for perspective, guys. Yeah, you can see, right? This thing is really huge. So right now, I'm starting the very first race. I'm using the graphics preset, guys. I'm gonna show you inside the options. I don't want anything else to obstruct your view. It's just going to be you, the game, and me. So we have graphics, performance, and battery saver. I'm gonna go with the graphics. This is what was loaded. So guys, let's enjoy this game. I've seen some footage on my phone for like 2 seconds, and I already know the game from YouTube and from other people around, and this thing is batshit crazy. This is unlike anything else. Even the vibration that I get here in the DualSense, I don't want to say that it's like Gran Turismo 7 because I do own it on my PlayStation 5, but this graphics is absolutely insane. And I'm not joking, guys. This game, really, the effort and the cars and the effects, like when you crush in the motion blur, right? Because, you know, if you watch my previous video today with CarX is a nice game. It's kind of an arcade game. There's some issues with the texture. So just see here, guys, all the trees, right? And the field of view. This really is like almost console gaming, guys. This is no joke here. And this game is just so amazing. So let's just see how well is my S25 Ultra going to run it now. I'm not running it through DeX. I directly hooked up the phone via USB-C HDMI to my monitor because I just want to enjoy the game. And now you know what I'm gonna do, guys? Something that I don't really do often. I'm gonna shut up, just play the game, guys, and enjoy it together with you. Oh my god. The lens flare, guys. Yeah, I know. I shut up only for seconds. The lens flare, guys, coming from the sun. And the motion blur and the cars. Oh god. And you can see here, guys, all my Sony PlayStation DualSense controls properly mapped.
Something of a prodigy.
And you can see, guys, it's UHD, but it's 30 FPS or 30 Hz because I'm using a limited dongle. Anyway, just impressive. Alright, and it's now time to skip the story and dive inside the game, guys. Because I do believe that this game deserves it. Also, you deserve it, I deserve it, and the S25 Ultra deserves to be tested. London! Right, Big Ben Tower here. I've been there, I know the place. This really looks like the real thing. Alright, let's press continue. Driver showcase event. You can see the flag, the motion, and the trees. When I get close to the monitor, I mean, I can tell it's not really a console game, but it's so incredibly good. Oh, yeah. Alright, now I'm gonna be driving that Audi.
Okay, that takes the place in front of Vega. You've been having some good races recently.
I like the physics and the mechanics and the way the DualSense vibrates in my hand. It's absolutely stunning. You can see the sun is setting with its very realistic colors, guys. This probably is the game of the year, I'm not sure. Like, it's probably the best racing game I tried on an Android phone. This is no joke. Oh my god.
Okay, you're looking good. Let's stay in front of Vega.
And now it's time for me to overtake Jane Martin. Oh yeah. Ah. Now! Woo! I'm the first!
Alright, one lap left.
No. Here. This is the moment I lose, right? No? Woohoo! Winning! First! So now guys, I'm gonna let you enjoy just the phone display directly. I'm also using here the standard reporting tools from the developer's option. It was already incredible on my 48 inches big TV, but here guys at this 6.9, this is a whole other game. Because now everything looks so nice and so neat, and I'm just gonna drive the same race for you to enjoy. Alright, see, I'm still getting like same performance, 30. So I think with the graphics setting, you probably just get like this, or at least on a Samsung device. Let's see what is going to happen when I change from graphics to performance. I'm gonna go now and choose performance. So it's going to be interesting to see if I'm gonna be getting more FPS. All right. Oh, definitely, right? From 30 to 40. Yeah, you can tell. I mean, it is smoother for sure, guys. But you know what? It's only 10 FPS more, all right? Only 10 FPS more, so I don't think that, this is gonna make a huge difference. You know what, guys? I'm just gonna go and switch back to the graphics, because I really enjoyed the high-end graphics. That was really incredible. This is so much better. You can see, all right, all the shadows and the marks from the tires on the road. 31 FPS. And by the way, guys, for such a game, I think this is still playable, right? This is no asphalt, this is no car wrecks, right? It's a racing simulator. And of course 60 would have been better, but right now with the S25 Ultra on the graphics performance, 4K, I'm getting like 30. And you can see my GPU is working like crazy, 89, sometimes even 99, 100% allocation. And of course, after I try to finish this game, I'm going to take a temp measurement. But this is by far one of the most beautiful games I've seen on an Android phone. And I believe, without any exaggeration, this is probably the best racing simulator on Android ever. This is just so good, guys. And I was expecting this, but I don't think I was prepared. And everything is so nice. Now, even when I do drift now, I can feel the vibration in my DualSense. When I go inside the menu, I can see the exact same Sony PlayStation buttons. They're just mapped there. So all these tiny, nitty, little gritty details, guys, they're here, and this makes it such a nice of a pleasure and experience to just be able to play this game. I'm thinking, guys, if the S25 Ultra with the Elite on the graphics is doing 30 FPS, yeah, with an older phone, I'm not sure you can even get to 30, guys. Most probably with a Red Magic or a real gaming phone, you're gonna be probably cranking up more. But imagine, even with the performance settings, I am getting like 40, so 41, 42. So yeah, it is very, very intense game, guys. But from what I see right now, I think it works nice. It's optimized, like, because it's stable. I don't see any hiccups like you can see in car wrecks or even in asphalt. So I'm not sure what those guys are doing, but yeah, this game now runs, and it runs so nice on my phone, right? And I understand it's only 30 FPS, but nevertheless, guys, this is an amazing game and amazing graphics. And after completing the final lap, I want to do a measurement with my temp gun to see if my phone is frying. Alright, and I'm overtaking a bit more of the cars. This is London City, guys. I've been there several times. This is no joke. Everything rendered so nice. All the models. I think the attention of the detail here is absolutely crazy. And I can only compare it with something I play on my PlayStation. That is the Gran Turismo. Woo! 42, guys, okay? 42. So I guess that the S25 Ultra survived Grid Legends. This is the real game running on the S25 Ultra. 30 FPS on the graphic settings and 40 on performance. This is the S25 Ultra, guys. If you have liked this video, right, yeah, go and watch some of my others. Amazing game. I'm going to play this really in my personal time. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay safe. EST over and bye.